The end of the year is the perfect time for leaders to reflect, celebrate, and learn. But how you do this can set the tone for your team's future success. Today, we're discussing how great leaders celebrate their wins and turn challenges into opportunities for growth. By the end of this video, you'll know how to conduct impactful year-end reflections that inspire your team and build momentum for the new year. Why is it important to do some reflection at the end of the year? Well, reflecting on the year builds accountability and transparency within our team. Recognizing our win boosts morale and engagement going into the new year, and identifying challenges and learning from them establishes a culture of growth and resilience. And if that's not enough of a reason, research shows that teams with frequent recognition and reflection are 4 times more likely to be engaged and productive. Now you're probably asking, how do we celebrate wins in a way that gets our team excited without being too cheesy? First, make celebrations personal. Acknowledge specific contributions from individuals on a team. Personalizing recognition leads to a 28% increase in employee satisfaction. Also, share the story behind the win. Discuss the challenges that were overcome and the lessons learned. One great way to do this is to have your team members share what they're proud of. Set a dedicated time to do this with a year-end celebration where team members can share their highlights. It's not all about celebrating wins, though. We also want to learn from challenges. This is a great time to normalize discussing failures. We want to frame failures as opportunities to grow rather than mistakes to avoid. This helps strengthen team resilience as well as builds a culture that encourages people to speak up when they see a problem. Key questions to ask are, what went wrong? Why did it happen? What can we do differently? Encourage team members to come prepared with their own highlights and lessons learned to make the session collaborative. Now, this isn't about assigning blame. We want to use this opportunity to brainstorm solutions, assign actionable steps for improvement, and anticipate future problems. It's also super important to document the lessons learned in a shared document that we can refer back to and use to train new team members as they come in. Finally, make sure you define the key takeaways for the team. Summarize lessons learned and align them with next year's goals. Wrapping up this self-reflection is a great time to establish priorities for the team moving forward. Year-end reflections aren't just about looking back. They're about using the past to build a stronger future. By celebrating wins and learning from challenges, you can create a culture of growth and resilience that drives your team forward. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with someone who can use it, and hit subscribe to keep getting all our leadership insights. Leave a comment below sharing one of your team's biggest wins for this year or a key lesson you've learned. If one of your goals next year is to up your leadership game, check out our online Be the Boss You Always Wish You Had program to take control of your own training and development. The link will be at the end of this video and in the episode description. Also, if you're watching and have a bunch of managers you want to train all at once, we have our 4-month Leadership Academy training program that builds innovative and accountable leaders to bring your company into the future. That link is also in the episode description. Thanks for watching. Go out there and do great things today. Onward and upward.